Hey you guys, so I did a review on this Super Greens powder that I got off of Amazon on the first of the year, and I just wanted to come back and do another review for you. I have been taking this Super Greens powder every day this month for starting the new year, so it is really, really good. It helps so much with digestion, bloating, tons of servings of fruits and vegetables, which I really love. It gives lots of natural energy. I have this drink mid-morning around 9 a.m., which is mid-morning for me since I wake up so early. So I have my glass, I put it in my mason jar. And so I have it in mid-morning, and like I said, it's really great. It gives a good boost of natural energy. It's high in probiotics. It's really high in vitamin C, which I love during the winter months because nobody wants to get sick. So this is just really great. I just love it, so that's why I wanted to do another review on it. Like I said, it's really, really good for bloating, digestion, and if you want to get rid of all that extra eating bloat, this is really helpful. So it's 1 scoop per serving, and I use my mason jar, fill it all the way up with water, and then I use this little blender. It is really fun. My kids love to use it too because it just swirls it around and mix it really well. So I'll put it in here, give it a stir. All right, so this stirs it up so good. All right, so I'm gonna have all my servings of fruits and vegetables for the day. This is so good. Like I said, I got this on Amazon. I will link it in the description if you wanna try these. Really, really good, really healthy, good for digestion, good for bloat. And it just makes me feel really healthy, gives me a little bit of extra energy throughout the day. So check these out on Amazon if you wanna try it, and I hope that you have a great day. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.